Good morning, everybody. It's Pablo Dassen here. On behalf of Modern Traveler, we are coming to you from Toronto Pearson Airport. We are headed to New York City, and yes, we are representing, as you can see. Okay, everybody, we've landed here in New York City. That's not actually New York City. That's a wonderful mural that they have here at LaGuardia Airport, which they've renovated, and it looks amazing. It's very easy to find everything. We got our bags, so soon we will be in Manhattan. Okay, so we're going to buy our Metro card here. So you just start off here, and it's very easy. In our case, we're going to get a new card. It's an unlimited ride we're looking for 7 days. It's only $33. You can pay by ATM card or credit card. Okay, everybody, we are on the 6 train heading downtown right now. Although we're staying in Midtown, New York City subway is going crisscrossing all over the city. It's actually very easy to figure out once you get the hang of it, and we will give you some more information about that. We hope that you enjoyed New York City as much as we enjoyed traveling here. On behalf of Modern Traveler, my name is Pablo Dassen. We will see you in New York next time.